Hello guys, so welcome to my tutorial. Today we are going to be looking on how to make a simple ascending and descending order game. So basically you can enter a bunch of numbers and the Scratch is going to sort it out in your ascending form or your descending form, anything you like. So I think let's just start off by creating a new backdrop. I'm going to put chalkboard because it's like maths. The Scratch card here. And we're gonna need the buttons for ascending and descending. So let's type buttons. Yep. Button. I'm just gonna duplicate this. Okay. Put this right there. Here and here. Okay. So now go here and now we can actually text it. I'm gonna put this as ascending. And I'm gonna change the color to red. Yeah, I'm gonna change the color to red. Put it here, okay. Oh, let me just make this here, that there. Okay, so now we got the ascending button and we just need to do that for descending. Descending. Let's put it in the middle. Okay. So now what we're gonna need is we're gonna need some variables. So and a list, because the list is the one which is gonna sort everything out. I'm just gonna delete my variable, and I'm gonna make a variable named I and X and swap. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a list. I'm just gonna call it list. You can call it whatever you want. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. So first we're gonna in the sprite one, we're gonna, when green flag clicked, it's gonna delete all of list, and of course it's gonna show, and let's take a forever loop and click ask, enter a number, and it's whatever the answer is, it's just gonna add it to list. So add answer to list. So the answer which we're going to be entering, it's just going to add it to list. So that's basically what this thing does. Now let's go to button 1, ascending, and let's code this. So when green flag clicked, show, and now what we're gonna need is we're gonna need a lot of, we're not gonna put this because we need the when the sprite is clicked. So when the sprite is clicked, it's gonna set I to 1, and it's gonna repeat. We're gonna need this repeat block, repeat length. So it's gonna repeat the length of the list. Oh wait, I think we need the minus block, length of list. Oops, just put this here and this here, and we're just gonna minus it with 1. So basically, instead of the forever loop, we're just gonna use this because the forever would actually not work. And we're gonna set X to 1, and we're again gonna repeat. I'm just gonna duplicate this block. Oh yeah, wait, I mean this full thing. Take that out, put it here, and now instead of putting -1, we're gonna need with I. So instead of -1, we're just gonna be basically putting it with I. And now what's gonna happen is, so we're gonna need an if, and if we're gonna need a less than, this one, and item X, we're gonna need this, and we're just gonna make it this item X of the list. So basically whatever x is equal to is gonna make it off the list. So currently x is set to 1. Oh wait, it's gonna have to repeat it, then it's gonna set x to 1. So when we play the game with x is gonna basically be 1, and we're just gonna duplicate this, put it here, and this time we're gonna make item x. We're gonna need a plus block, plus 1. So it's gonna set x to 1 and then set x to 1 and then plus it with 1. So basically it's gonna equal to 2. Now here's the main part. We're gonna get the swap variable. So set swap to item x of list. So now we're gonna need the replace block. Replace x. We'll replace x of list with item x plus 1. I'm just gonna take this, remove this, put this here, x plus 1. So we're basically just gonna replace the x of the list with x plus 1, which is basically what we did here, but we're gonna need this loop to make sure it works. Okay, so now we're gonna need we're gonna need another replace item. Replace. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna take another replace item. Put it right there. This time I'm just gonna make basically the same thing. Make this here, and instead of thing or 1, we're gonna make it a swap. It's gonna replace item x plus 1 of the list with swap. And now we're gonna again change the x by 1. Change x by 1. And we're again gonna change I by 1. So that should be it for ascending. Let's check it out. Enter number 45, 28, 6564, 84, and now just click ascending. It's still not getting sorted. What's the problem? Okay. So let's see. So basically for descending, we're just gonna do the opposite. But if we're gonna still make sure ascending needs to work. I don't find any mistakes. List with item of the list. Oh, I think I know what's wrong. Let's delete this and replace with, I think it's this. Make sure put this right here. Sorry about my voice. So replace it with item x with x plus 1. Maybe it's gonna work now. I don't know. Let's check it out. Wait. Oh yeah, now I know what's wrong. We're gonna need basically this thing here, but then here. Now this should work. Yeah, this should work. Let's see. 48, 28, 45. Just putting some random numbers. That's ascending. It's still not working. It should be ascending this, but should we delete the all of list? I'm pretty sure we put that here. Yeah, it's gotten deleted. ascending, random numbers. It's still not working. I mean, the code is getting run, but there's some problem with the code again. Let's check. Item with swap. I think let's go descending and then let's see what's wrong. So first of all, I'm just gonna go to when green flag clicked, show forever. I just wanna hide. No, I wanna show the list actually. Show list and hide all these variables because we don't need them. So hide, and hide. Swap and X. Just wanna make that. And now just make this go here. Okay, that didn't work. Yep, now it should work. No, wait. Oh, the when sprite click went. When the sprite clicked, yep. So it's basically just gonna be almost the exact opposite. So we're gonna make. I'm gonna just duplicate this. I mean, we're gonna just take this out, and nope. Put this. Take this block out, and yeah, we're gonna remove this, and instead we're gonna put this basically the opposite, item X of list with item X. Wait, we're gonna need item X plus 1 of list. Okay, let's just gonna put this here. Set swap, replace item X with 1 plus 1. Swap, change X by 1, change I by 1. Okay, let's check descending out. Put some random numbers. It doesn't really have to matter which number you picked. Okay, now descending works perfectly. But why is ascending not working? Let's see. Okay, it really works because descending works and ascending does not work. I think this is wrong. Let's put this. I think. So I think this has to be here. No, wait. I think this here and then this here. This here, I think. Wait, just right there. Let's check this out. Okay. Ascending. Still not working. X plus 1 of list. X of list with item. X plus 1 with swap. Change X by 1. Change I by 1. Set I by 1. Length of list minus 1. Set X to 1. It has to be some code error because I don't see any mistake with any syntax or anything. Let's just run it out to make sure it's ascending. Oh, it works. It works, yeah. I think we just have to run the green flag twice. So let's enter some random numbers: 28, 6, 89, 74, 52, 112, and 63. Now we're going to sort it in ascending 6, 12, 28, and yep, there, and descending 89, 74. Actually, I'm going to make the list a bit bigger. I'll make it like that. Yep, I'll make it like this. So yep, it works. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.